Okay, we have here another example. Find the z-value to the right of the mean so that 88.10% of the area under the distribution curve lies to the left of it. Okay, so we will analyze first the given problem. So according to the problem, the z-value is located to the right of the mean. And also that 88.10% of the area under the distribution curve lies to the left of the z. Okay, so we need to draw our or sketch our distribution curve. Okay, so this is our distribution curve. And then the mean is at the center. And then the z value is located to the right of the mean. So this is our z to the right of the mean, our unknown z. And then the problem states that 88.10% of the area under the curve lies to the left of our unknown z. Okay, so I'm going to shade the area. Okay, to the left of z. So this is our area. To the left of z. Okay, so the area is equal to 88.10%. Okay, so this is the area. And then, according to our procedure table, if the area is located to the left of any z, okay, so we just locate the area in our table of values. Okay, so this is the area 0.8810 corresponds to the z values of 1.18. Okay, so the z value that corresponds to the given area is 1.18.